says in the Sephardic Sidur, in the general laws of prayer, Hamavalia Shlita rules that women should omit Hashem's name and kingship while saying a bracha. Is this ruling all-encompassing or only for specific brachot? And can you elaborate on why women should omit his name and kingship?
No, we need a specific example. We cannot go by like that. We need a specific example. Sometimes we would omit first of all, it's zatzal. It's not shlita. We say somebody is still alive. Zatzal is somebody is no longer.
Sorry, my bad. It's my bad. Yeah.
Okay.
I said.
Right. Yeah. No. Okay. No problem. So second, about this rule that we omit his kingship and his name only in a case of the doubt. So we need to see exactly the case when the case when he said that, so we can discuss it. But like a general rule, we don't omit things. Right. So I think if I remember correctly, somebody told me, or I read it, I don't remember exactly where I got the information from, but since women are not obligated to pray Psuki de Zimra, not obligated, 100% like the same in men, so they, I think Sephardic women would not say the blessing. So we have Baruch Shemar in the beginning of Psuki de Zimra, and we have Ishtabach at the end. So it's like beginning blessing, a text, whatever this psukim, and then end blessing. So I think they would not say Baruch Shamar, or they skip some names. I'm not sure exactly, but the custom, Ashkenazi custom, women say if they accept it upon themselves, that's what they want to do. No problem. She can say any blessing she wants, right? And Ashkenazi custom actually like. They follow the rules. So, for example, women are not obligated to sit in the sukkah. Sukkah is common. So, but if she wants to sit in the sukkah and she want to say the blessing on the sitting on the sukkah, there is no problem. She can say that with the name, with everything, right? But okay, and if she wants to shake lulav in Esrog, I just bought my set today. Very interesting. So she can say it. There is no problem. She can do it, even though she's not obligated. But if she wants to do it, she can do it, and she of course do everything properly. Not. I mean, according to halacha. So of course, before doing that, she must learn the halacha. I mean, it's simple, but anyway, somebody have to explain to her. She knew from before. So, for example, I was privileged when I was buying my set. A woman, a religious woman, came to me and said, almana, so meaning right, so husband died, right? So she said, can you help me to pick esrog? So of course she does not know the laws and how. So I helped her. It was my second choice. I could not decide. I mean, I decided between two. I said I love this very much. And I checked, both of them were kosher, but we decided to go with another one and check for a lulav, right? So I think she's buying for herself, I think, but maybe for her sons, I'm not sure. I mean, right? So she can do that. There is no problem.